see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is LJ and you're watching NoClutch Garage. Looks like the package that I've been waiting for the past 3 weeks finally came in. This came in straight from Arkk Performance, so you already know it's going to be another cosmetic part going on my car. Now, I had posted about this several times throughout the year, asking about opinions on it. So if you've been keeping close attention to my Instagram, then you kind of already know what this is going to be. But let's go ahead and open the box. All right, let's see what it is. And yep, kidney grills, and these are the G20-STYLE kidney grills for the F30. Now I know I'm probably gonna get some slack for this because honestly people still have mixed reviews about this, and to be fair, I haven't seen much of this on any F30s, so I reserve my judgment, you know. But when I saw these, I thought, well, I'm already doing things to the car that's kind of going to go along with the black and silver theme, and I think these would fit perfect with what I'm going for, especially after I'm done with all the carbon fiber accents. So we're going to go ahead and install these. The installation is actually really simple. It takes about 5 minutes, so let's go ahead and get it done. Well, apparently it rained while I was inside, and yeah, everything's wet. But it's all good. That's not going to stop us. So let's go ahead and pop the hood and get started with this. And before I get started, I do want to talk about something. There is actually an easier way to remove the kidney grills, and that involves getting a little tool that has like a hook, and you can simply pop these guys from outside and they will come out. But the way I'm doing it is the way that most people would do it, which is where we take off the seal right here in the front and then take off the torque screws that are holding down the bumper. So we're gonna do that. To start off this process, it's actually really simple. We're gonna remove this seal right here, and this just kind of comes off like that completely, and you know, just put it to the side. It's not a big deal. We're gonna take these off right here, and these are T30s, and there are also some at least on the 340 on the LCI, there are two T25s, one on this side, one on top of the other light. So we're gonna go ahead and take those off. So to start off this process, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use a ratchet, and this is a 3/8 ratchet, and I'm gonna use an extender just because I like using extenders. You don't really have to. And then this is T30, like I said earlier, and we also have the T25s. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the T25. So this is the one over the headlights, and it's gonna be the same on the other side. So let's just go ahead and take them off. Next thing we're gonna do, take off the T25 and use the T30 to take all of these out. All right, now that those have been removed, you can easily pull this back right? And what I like to do is I just stick my hand in there and go ahead and pry these guys off. It's not super simple, but if you go to my V-brace wrap video, there's a clear explanation of that. But basically what you want to do, you're gonna pull this forward a little bit, and I don't know if you can see in there, but there are those clips right there. Basically what you want to do is you want to unhook them and push them forward. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna stick our hands in here, you unclip it, and with this hand you're gonna pull forward. That basically makes sure that when you go to unclip something else, it doesn't go back in. Move on to the next one and unclip that. This one's broken, so it's already unclipped. And then there are some along the sides. Going to the other side. Bottom ones are a little trickier to get to. And just like that, this one's out. And this side is easier because you can stick your hand through here and maneuver along. And there you go, just like that. This one's off. Now here comes the easy part. Now we can come and bring the new guys along. And these are so simple. You just grab them and pop them in. Sure, they're completely in. Here. Now. So this is what they look like so far, and now I'm gonna put everything back together and see what it looks like with the hood down. Alright guys, we're done, and now you've got to see what this looks like.
Skin clear, this here my year. Hey, look up here.
Keep in mind, my car is actually pretty dirty and it's wet, so you can't really tell how good it looks, but I'll be posting pictures on my Instagram, so stay tuned guys. I really like that, and I think it looks really good. The silver accents I think are helped by the headlights, and I really like it. I really like how it's turning out. And so with this, I'm actually done with phase 1 of my BMW exterior transformation. I know it's not a lot, but that's why it's phase 1. It's basically the stuff that I wanted to add that's not carbon fiber. I think one other thing that I do want to add are going to be mud flaps. I got to get with Tommy for that because my paint is getting scratched. Just the weather in North Carolina is terrible and the highways are terrible, so it's picking up all the gravel and scratching up the paint. And that's actually another thing that we're going to be doing soon. My car is getting a respray because there was some construction on the highway and it ruined my paint, even on the doors. So we're going to be doing that at some point early, maybe next month. But anyway, stay tuned for that. There's a lot of stuff coming for this car, and I'm trying to keep my videos a lot shorter because I've been listening to you guys. I know my videos can get kind of long sometimes, and honestly most of that is because I try to be thorough. I'll try to stay at least below 15 minutes, I promise. That's been it for the grills. If you have any questions guys, please hit me up, leave a comment down below. And actually these grills come from Arkk Performance, so shout out to Arkk Performance for being great throughout all of this, throughout the transformation of my car. You guys are great. You guys are amazing. And remember, if you want them, use my discount code, NoClutch10, and I'll leave all of that in the description down below. Anyway guys, thank you guys for tuning in and looking at the new grills. You know, you may have your opinions about it, whatever. Let me know how you feel in the comments down below. If you like what you saw today, go ahead and click like, go ahead and click subscribe. There's plenty more 340i content coming through. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.